Hey guys, I'm going to do a birthday. We're going to do this wolf and killer fly. Chocolate. Full of chocolate. Look.
What is it?
What is it? A purse.
Who's on the purse?
Elsa.
Wow.
No Anna. No Anna.
No Anna on the purse.
Where is it? What is it?
That's the cup that the chocolate was sitting in.
Look, it's a purse. A purse.
A purse?
They have Elsa on it.
Okay, say goodbye to everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.